Hey everyone, this is CS Gaikwad from HGPA Classes Pune. Well, we have a big announcement to make. As you might have seen it from the thumbnail, we are launching 12th standard CBSE. But wait, there's more to it. There's a new face, new faculty coming in HGPA. Now her name is CA Kajal Tilak Chandani. She has tons of experience. Her former name, the classes name was KT Classes, which was very famous. And now she's associated at HGPA Classes. In this video, Kajal ma'am is going to take you through the entire CBSE structure, the batch which is going to be conducted at GPA classes, online, live, the transportation facility and everything. Okay. Now, I would like to call upon CA Kajal ma'am, and she is going to take over this video and tell you in detail what will be the batch structure of CBSE at GPA. Ma'am, the video is all yours.
Thank you so much.
Here you go.
Hello everybody, I am CA Kajal Tilak Chandani, joining in from Pune as a CBSE faculty. I have been training almost 100 plus students till now in CBSE 11th and 12th. Talking about CBSE 12th batch, which is our new batch, everything for you. Discussing about the timings, we are planning to have a batch from 5 to 7 p.m. every day, all the 6 days of a week, whereby we'll be having 3 days for accounts, BST, economics, and a day compulsory Saturday weekend for our test. Next, talking about the distance, I have students joining in from Wakad, Aun, Saudagar, Pimpri, Nigdi, Pradikaran. For them and only for all of you, we are announcing the transportation facility as well. Next is talking about the infrastructure, bringing the professional CA CS CMA ka infrastructure into CBSE the very first time, talking about the online facility and the application backup. Just in case you are not able to attend the class offline, on the same day during the live sessions, we'll be allowing you to watch all the lectures in live stream. If not, you have to revise certain topic, you want to revisit any topic, we will be allowing application backups as well. Next, what we have is we have decided to launch a 1 week demo lecture. Just come in, sit with us, watch our qualification, watch us teach, and once you are very much satisfied, then join. Next is what notes we will be giving you, personalized handwritten notes for accounts, which will be a 1-day revision. Just 1 day prior to exams, क्या पढ़े मैम, पूनम गांधी है, संदीप गर्ग, बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है, कुछ मत, हमारे नोट्स पढ़ो बस है. Next is one-on-one session with the parents. Parents, don't worry, आपके बच्चे हमारे बच्चे, till the board exam ends, we will be there throughout together working for the child. Next, subjects, economics, micro, ID, BSc, both the books, NCERT, Poonam Gandhi, T.S.Grewal, all the 3 books, and a bonus. For all the optional students, we are announcing applied maths as well. Next, test and revision series, we will be completing entire portion by December 31st. January as well as Feb mid, we will be having board exam practice papers, revision series, whereby we are launching 1 month, 1 day a chapter revision series. Each and every chapter will be revised in a day with YouTube uploadings. Next we have is each and every illustration will be solved. T.S.Grewal ka 500 plus illustration you will solve, I will solve together, pen and paper. Each and every doubt will be answered. I am here to help you. All you have to do is just come with me, just trust me and be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kajal ma'am. I think like you have summed up everything. Everything has been summed up. So just to like give a bit of extra thing now, remember one thing, we're starting the batch on 26th of March, okay? So all your friends, usually you might be from Ravet, Aund, Nigdi, Pradikaran, any part of PCMC, okay? Doesn't matter, like if you want to learn accounts from Kajal ma'am, you need to do simple one thing, you need to just confirm your seat on this number. Also, one more thing to add on to this is that we are there for 12 standard CBSE, but one thing is also there. This batch will also be integrated with CA Foundation, CMA Foundation. If you are dreaming of becoming a CA CMA, you can start your preparations right from 12 standard. Ma'am, your inputs on this. Is it okay to start with CA, with 12 standard?
This will help the students a lot, sir. All the CBSE students planning for CA Foundation.
Yes.
The curriculum will be highly integrated. Yes. Just come up. Just come to.
So you need to do simple thing. Even your parents want to come down, they want to come down and to inquire. You can come down. The office is open. You can get down this office at the Google location. Just type HGPA PCMC branch. You will get the location. Okay. And also one more thing, talking about the infra also, and also about the technology. We've integrated all the technology what we are using in CA. Everything will be coming down here. So even if you miss out on any lecture, as she said already, every backup, the video which you're watching right now, all the videos will be in this quality only. Okay, so you don't need to, sir मुझे शादी को बाहर जाना है, मुझे घूमने बाहर जाना है, go, there's no problem. But remember one thing, backup lectures will be provided. Okay, you can go and revisit the lectures anytime. Okay, and talking about the infrastructure, everything is all set. You can just come down and visit for yourself. Okay, you're also giving out group discounts, so if you can come, you can come. Everyone is welcome. Okay, and numbers is already here. Numbers is already here. Okay, you can just call on this number and confirm you. Okay, make sure you're there on the 26th of March. Okay.
Thank you.